Today in our kitchen we are making the marble cake. It is one of my favorite cakes to make and I hope you will try this recipe and love it as much as I do. These are our ingredients. We will need 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a cup of milk, 170 grams of butter, one and a half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. In one large bowl, add in the butter, and mix it till it changes color with our electric mixer. Scrape the sides and it has already become fluffy. After you have done so, we're going to add our sugar and cream it together for at least 3 minutes. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a wooden spoon or a whisk. After you have done so, we are going to add our eggs and mix it again. And we're going to add in the vanilla essence, but do not stop mixing. In our flour, add in our baking powder, and we're going to sift our flour in 3 parts. After you have sifted in a part, you have to give it a good mix with our spatula. Avoid using your electric mixer at this point. This is our second part, and we're going to do the same. And now this is our last part. Our mixture is quite thick at the moment, so it's going to be a bit difficult to mix. Then we're going to add our yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can add sour cream as well. and mix it with our spatula. Then we're going to add our milk in gradually. When we have added all our milk in, this is what our mixture will look like. In one bowl, add half of the mixture. In this bowl, we're going to add our cocoa powder. If you don't like so much chocolate, you can add quarter of the batter as well. We're going to add the cocoa powder in gradually and mix it. I'm using a round ring pan for this, but you can use any pan of your liking. Now for our layering. Please note, layering is very important for this cake. So we're going to add 1 scoop of our vanilla batter and then 1 scoop of our chocolate batter. And this we will repeat for our first layer. And this is our first layer done. Now for our second layer, where there was chocolate, we're going to add the vanilla on top. Where there was vanilla, we're going to add the chocolate on top. My cake gave me about 2 layers. After you have finished layering, we're going to use a stick or a skewer and we're going to give it a nice design. This is a technique we have to use. After you have done that, we are going to bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our cake is done. I'm going to show you with a toothpick that it has baked perfectly. Our toothpick came out clean. Now when it has cooled down, I'm going to place a plate on top and show you my cake. And wow, it looks absolutely amazing. Because of this design, I love the silicone pad so much. You can see the chocolate and the vanilla so perfectly. Now I'm going to cut a slice and show you. And this is what it looks from the inside. It looks absolutely amazing and smells absolutely amazing. And our marble cake is done. I hope you like this recipe.